Hyundai has announced it will launch two brand new SUV nameplates which will expand its presence. Of the two launches, one will strengthen our position in the mid-segment SUV and the other will mark the debut of a localized dedicated EV in the compact space. Tata Curvv of Hyundai India said, "We feel very excited to inform that during this financial year, we will be introducing two completely new nameplates." People familiar with the matter indicated the upcoming model will be based on the Bion crossover platform which is sold in Europe. It will measure 4.18 meters in length, suggesting it will be positioned slightly below the Creta. While it is reported that the Bion-based SUV will be a crossover to rival that of Fronx, it is now understood it will be a contender in the mid-size SUV segment. Internally, it's called named BC4i, and its sources indicate it's likely to get a naturally aspirated petrol engine along with CNG powertrain with dual-cylinder setup. This could be Hyundai's first CNG-powered SUV above 4 meters. The focus on CNG is not a surprise given that exponential growth CNG has witnessed over the years. Hyundai will differentiate the upcoming SUV with tech-laden interior and driver-assisted features. The company's two-pronged approach is very similar to the Maruti strategy with the Grand Vitara and Victoris for this segment. Hyundai's decision here is to get back lost market share from Tata and Mahindra, who have now become the leaders in the SUV segment. Back in 2025 October, Hyundai confirmed the arrival of the localized electric SUV specifically for the Indian market. While early indicators suggest it will rival the Tata Punch EV, now you can say it will target the Nexon EV instead. The EV, codenamed internally as HE1i, will sit on the eGMP platform, which is shared with the Insta. It will be manufactured at the Tamil Nadu plant with localized battery from Excite. The car makers confirmed the electric compact SUV will be offered with standard range and long range version. The Euro spec insert gets 42 kW of battery and 49 kW battery with 355 kilometers of range.